Step into the incredible world of hyper-realistic toy trains that will leave you questioning if they're real or not. In this video, we're diving deep into the fascinating universe of model trains that are so meticulously designed, they look, sound, and operate just like the real thing. From the smallest details on the locomotives to the authentic chugging sounds and smooth movements on the tracks. These miniature marvels are a testament to human creativity and engineering. Imagine watching a tiny train navigate through a beautifully crafted landscape, complete with tunnels, bridges, and bustling stations. The level of detail is mind-blowing. Every brick, tree, and streetlight is perfectly placed to create a lifelike scene. And the trains themselves, they're not just static models. They move with precision, puffing smoke, blowing whistles, and even stopping at stations to pick up passengers. It's like watching a real railroad system in miniature form. But how do they do it? What goes into creating these astonishingly realistic model trains? In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes to explore the craftsmanship, technology, and passion that bring these tiny worlds to life. You'll meet enthusiasts and experts who dedicate their time to building these intricate setups, and you'll learn about the history and evolution of model trains. Whether you're a lifelong train enthusiast, a hobbyist looking for inspiration, or just someone who appreciates incredible craftsmanship, this video is for you. It's a celebration of creativity, precision, and the joy of bringing imagination to life. So, are you ready to be amazed? Hit play and prepare to be transported into a world where tiny trains rule the tracks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content like this. Let us know in the comments, what's the most impressive detail you noticed in these model trains? Would you ever start your own collection?